to find out what you're here for. Just let me know. I know I'm quiet. I don't fight it every time you leave me crying. Out to the sky, you can't tell me why. Love could be alive if your love is not alive. Whoa.
But you can't make me hush. You know I'm all about the
No
rush.
one's gonna save you from yourself. And I hope that you feel better. I hope you do better. I hope that you feel good. Good. And no one's gonna want you if you cry for help. Just cry, baby. And I'm there now. I can now. I'm there now. Yeah. 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 Oh. Hush. If you can trust me, you just might be lucky in 1,000 ways. Nigga, what's up? What's up? You fucked up. I don't hate. I'm just tough love, tough love. You think that you know, but you're out of control. I'm the ticking bomb and the detonator froze. Yeah. And now you're exposed. Explode. 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 Explode.